I'm Ajitesh, CEO and co-founder of Tuftung AI. Thank you for your interest in creating coach on Tuftung AI. So I'll show you how you can create it here. So the first you have to go to library platform, and in the library you have to create a collection for you. So for example, I have these collections each dedicated for a specific purpose. So let's go to collection here and create collection. The course I want to create is AI for product leaders. And you can give a nice description, which I've already have it here. For now, I will just pick one, which is Google PM interview, and create the collection. Now you can keep the collection as a public property where everyone can access it, or private where you just share with your students and specific set of audience. Once you create the collection, you can go here in the collection. Let me click here. Now, there are two kind of resources that you can attach to collection. The first one is a scenario that you already saw. There are a list of scenarios that you can go and create and add. And the second is the video resources. So the video could be your Loom video or your YouTube URL. So for example, what I'll do is I'll get a Loom URL and show you how you can add it. A Loom URL here, and I will just say as intro. And I have to put Loom URL here, and this is the URL. Make sure that URL does not has any parameter. Once you do that, it will fetch it from there, and I could mark it intro, and then I could add the video. So now your collection has a video content, which is what you recorded, and an AI interviewer content. And you could also reorder the content from here. For example, I want to start with intro and then go to Google, the AI interviewer, so I can save that order. So now anyone who comes to here and does play all will see this order, and also has option to search and do more as you add more interviews. So for example, the one I have created and shared with groups is this is story bank for behavioral interviews. So if you look here, the first interview here is the play content, is the introduction. So this is my introduction of what is behavioral interviews and all that I'm doing here. And after that is AI interviewer. So I have provided some context to the AI on what is the STAR method, how to help candidates, how to frame answer, what exactly should the agenda be. So for example, in the first one, the agenda is that it will try to explain the STAR method, and then ask for different options that candidates have for creating a story, then pick a particular story and then frame it. So work with candidates to do all of this. And the way candidate experience will work here is to click the play all here. And once they click play all, they go to the join scenario. So the first they look at the Loom video here, then they practice with the AI interviewer. And this is how this will work.
Hello, I'm your interview coach, and I'm here to help you master the STAR method for your upcoming interviews.
Yeah, thank you so much. So I wanted help with leadership lesson. So I'll stop it here. But the idea here is that you can create these scenarios and add it here, and your candidate can go through this entire scenario plus video lesson. Now, to create the scenario, you can create scenario from here, which is create custom. We already make it really easy for you. For example, for AI for PM leader coach, once I write that, the AI will help me write the prompt, that what should be the description, how it should act, and then you can add a PDF if you have the context on what you are going to teach. For example, if you have a transcript, if you have the URL or YouTube, then you can just directly put the YouTube here and we'll get the transcript. If you have a blog, you can put the blog link here, or if it's a PDF, like you have you have Google Docs or something, you can just upload it here. So that way the AI will have context on what you have taught, and it will try to teach there. So for example, if you go to the course that I created on PM interview, in the STAR method, it has access to, let's go to interview quote and simplify. So I have it here likely. So I will search interview simplify. Okay, so if you go to the simplify one, so I've added this PDF with all the instruction of what it needs to do, some sample answer, and that is how it's able to add value. So that's what you have to also do, is to create a scenario where you provide additional context for AI to help your candidates. So that way you create the collection, and once you create that, you could share directly with your customers, audience. Also let us know, we can help you market it. I'm looking forward to feedback, also working with you on how you could monetize it, make it really easy for you to create courses here. Thank you so much.